First part is about your personal questions. Others, someone is added. I will take attendance after 5 minutes. Okay, I don't waste time. So this part is about a personal question. Personal means all about you only. What are the technical things you learn? What are the technical qualities or communication qualities, or what is your project, what is your achievement, what is your strength, what is your weakness, what is your technical skills. You are from civil background, why you choose this field, okay, IT field, why you choose service desk, why you choose a service desk, why you want to go come to our company, what you know about our company. It's all about you. There is no direct questions and answers because you know the answer. I don't know. I know my answers. You know your answer. Answer is belongs to you only. And already I told there is a explanation about the personal. In general question, interview questions, in a personal, somewhat I try to explain. Just one or two members go through it, find something, and discuss with others. Also good. Okay, easy way. If you have a gap, years gap, then how to deal with a 2 years gap, why you are getting 2 years gap, why you are getting 3 years gap. So your password is 2019, what you have done till now. Okay, do you work in some place, what is the kind of work, why you want to change the profile, why you want to come to this company. Okay, like this. Okay, these kind of questions are there, guys. Already I shared in a notepad. So compulsory go through each and every question, answer yourself. Okay, practice answering any question. It is not guaranteed that this only question will come up, but max and most of the questions I have taken all these questions from here. What is your version score? Okay, that is question is also there. What is your password year? How do you celebrate last birthday? What is your favorite thing? What is your hobbies? So based on that questions, then you have to build different kind of answers. You have practice answering. Point is, take the question, create an answer, and practice answer. If possible, not if possible, it is better to do record your answer. Put a question and record your answer and listen to your answer. Now, when I'm telling, I feel I'm okay with it. So I did never confuse. But you are listening, right? What I'm speaking, what I'm showing, what I'm explaining, okay, what I'm answering. For me, it is okay. But you are listening. For example, you are not feeling satisfaction. Like you are not able to get connected. That whose mistake it is? We cannot blame on either party, right? You cannot blame on me. You cannot blame on other person. I don't know exactly the where is the wrong I am doing, and even I don't know whether you are understand or not, whether you are received it proper way or not. I don't know. It maybe depends upon you. It depends upon me also, guys. So for that one, practice. Okay. So for example, tomorrow I have to take the class in the morning 10 o'clock. What topic it is? So I have to keep thinking like, what is the topic? What are the content in the topic? So how to explain this particular example? First, I will practice. Sometimes I will do mistakes like a confusion and mixing with one to another one, not a proper thing, or maybe plan is immediately changed. Actually, my planning is not this one today. Exactly. Okay. But I came here. So I didn't think like a 2:30 means maximum people will come up. Okay. So I seen only 4 members. Point is, sometimes we change, sometimes with different things, we cannot able to give answer properly. So what I am trying to say is, check the question, speak the answer, record the answer, listen yourself. Are you satisfied with that answer? No confusion with your answer, no confusion with the sentence construction, no mistake in the sentence construction. Okay, the way you speak, the like mother tongue influence or a vocabulary related, is was related, is and was, very simple thing. Lot of people do mistake by in the is, was, where, here, had, have. A lot of people do mistakes in a has been, as being. Okay, like different things are there. So the way of answer you have to practice. Okay, and yeah, I given few answers earlier in that video. Just go through once also. But first of all, read the questions. Read the questions and answer yourself. Answer yourself. Creative answer, or you can search in a Google any reference on it. Any the way of answer different answers. Find out different answers. If in case how to tell why should we hire you, three qualities. Okay, why we should you hire, why company should hire a person. So then okay, what are the, how to tell an answer, then search it, then you will find a 10 20 qualities. Find out best of 5 qualities which suitable, more suitable to you. Guys, once again I want to tell, in a personal questions, whatever you speak, whether it is true or lie kind of stuff, doesn't matter. But how you telling an answer is very important. Okay, this part is about your personal questions. From here, almost it is like a technical questions. It's all about your service desk and related to the service desk field. Like what is a service desk? What is incident and a service request? Like I given a certain sentences, right? Event, alert, incident, workaround, problem, change, service request, right? So in that, from that one only. I didn't explain SLA, otherwise I will forward a video for you. So then please check once. Okay, service level agreement. What is a service level agreement? What is OLA, operational level agreement? What is UC, underpinning contract? So there is a video already there. I will try, otherwise I will cover after some or later. About ITL. What is an ITL? What are the 5 life cycles of ITL? What is the importance of it? Different ticketing tools. I think I already forward BMC Helix. Okay, one of the ticketing tool. So lot of ticketing tools also there. So what are there? Service desk responsibilities, its process. Already I forward a link. So what are the service desk levels, and I explain how service desk works. What is the difference between yeah, service incident and service request, change and all? You have to go. Tools you have worked with. If you have any experience in it, so any tools you have a experience in. Have you worked with any application till now? Same questions only. Why I put so many times same question, I don't know. So that's, we'll see. IT infrastructure. This is about a service desk analysis. You are a service desk analyst. You have call from annoying client. What challenges you face? So this is also one of the service desk related, direct related one. Imagine that if you are a service desk analysis, client calls for an issue of not getting email, either whole Intel system is working, and what is your solution? Okay, so there is, you got a call, so this is a complaint, how you deal with it. These are again from here, it's about a monitoring and ticketing. That's a question and answer it is. From here it is all are technical. Most of you know these questions and answers. If you don't know, search it. This is networking related. Okay, and this is hardware related and operating system related issues also there. Okay, this is about a printer kind of stuff, Outlook related issues. Okay, and this is some kind of solution which is posted by one of our sir. And these are the certain services, Active Directory or DNS, DHCP, and what is group policy is also very important. VPN and is important. Okay, VPN proxy, these are also very important. Technical one. Okay, so you can start with the networking, because you know the networking already. Maximum, not a maximum part of networking completed, except few things like a VPN server kind of stuff not completed, but 100 maximum networking completed. And basic for hardware, and operating system we didn't start, but OS I just told about some part of OS and few features in the OS also we'll going to discuss. So from today at least you have to start with your personal questions. Second one is service desk related questions. Third one is networking related questions. What is Outlook? So this is we will discuss later, or maybe if you want, I will send a one explanation video. If possible, I will try. Time is less, so my time is reduced. Okay, yeah, this is the solution part. Next one is this is again service desk related, but not statements of service desk. It is all about how to handle the customer part only. Okay, this is again service desk, but not exactly service desk. It is about a customer. You know, last batch, one person got a question that is usually I told to the people like type of customer, internal customer, external customer, public customers. Who is the customer means? What is the meaning of that customer? Kind of stuff, right? That question is also came. Okay, so do not ignore the customer, guys. People who are working in a service desk, it's not only a service desk, guys. It's any area you are working in a IT company. Either you are working as a service desk, or you are working as a technical support person, or maybe you are become a software developer, or maybe you are supporting servers or data centers, cloud management. Communication between the provider and customer must be more clear. Must be more clear. Clarity of communication must be there. Next one is why I started here and I want to explain what is this total questionnaire part. Point is here it customer become impatient. Customer may become frustrated. Customer may get an angry. Why this become a customer become like this? Why? Because of whatsoever it is, guys. It is um, it may be because of the service provider. Either customer can be internal customer or external customer, okay, or maybe a public customer. Whenever they got an issue, they need an immediate solution. Sometimes the solution not complete. Solution is not done. Maybe in a 1 hour, maybe in a 2 hours, maybe in the same day, maybe not in the same day, maybe not in the same hours, maybe not in the 2 days. Also, not complete. Still issue is there, or he's keep getting the same issues. He's keep getting the same issues. Like internal customer, I told you know that is the second time I got like I went to the our Hyderabad office. My internet is not connecting. I went to the guy, the service desk guy, so tech support people. Asked like, I am not getting Wi-Fi connectivity. He's doing all this kind of stuff, forget and all kind of stuff he done. Okay, so morning also I explained. The morning video is there. So that is I explained. If in case you are not getting a Wi-Fi or a Wi-Fi password is changed, okay, you are already connected and working, but next day or maybe after a few days you are unable to get connected. Maybe meantime there is a password changes or some issues there, so how to forget the password and all. So same thing. So he removed my password and he do all the things. Even I am trying to say it is your router is a MAC binding router. Please check the MAC binding. Any blockages occur with my MAC address, please allow in that one, it will work. Even I am telling the solution, the guy is want to like deal with the people like there are a superior and we are a best fellows. Sometimes it just happens with the internal customers, kind of because we directly in the same organization, we don't mind about this basic things. Okay, so we don't touch infrastructure directly, right? That Wi-Fi routers and all, we don't touch it. So they are dealing with they have a access permission. We don't have a access permissions. Okay, so then it's okay if you don't know, just leave it. and he's doing all these things, so no problem. Then next, the guy is actually, when I was working in a different organization, different institute, he was that, he was a student of mine. He's working there. So he came and he asked like, sir, what happened? So this is not getting things. So please do that. I think it is blockage, and he done that one. The meaning is, guys, it is always while you are working in a service desk or maybe any field, communicate with the people very nicely. So not very nicely required, at least some degree. If you don't know, then like, at least you can admit that you don't know, or at least transfer to someone or ask someone to know so how to solve this problem, or give some like sir, give me a 5 minutes. You don't want to tell them so how you solve the problem. Some people are there, these kind of people that they don't want to tell how they solve the problem. What we can say, self-centered people, selfish people are there. We can't tell them exactly. Selfish and self-centered are both are different, and we can't put their category into either also. Even there are not selfless people, but not we cannot put them into self-centered or a selfish people. They just they want to don't want to tell how they solve the problems. They don't want to let people know how it is works. So that kind of stuff. So then give some time and solve it and do it. Okay, so that's also okay. But what customer is want, knowing how it is works, are working. Customer need working. Customer need internet. Get it. Customer need a VPN access. Give it. Okay. What customer actually part? Okay. Customer want to access a printer, and that customer means the user not to suppose access printer. That is the rule. Like I went to the office and I want to take a printout. Ask my service desk, give me a printer access. As my profile, I don't get it. As my profile, I don't get that access. Then they don't give. Sorry, sir, we are unable to provide a service because you are not in the category of accessing the printer part. Understand? It goes both ways. It goes both ways, guys. There is a LO way and NA way is also there. But in both the things, you have to deal with the customers. For example, you are a software developer. Your client will ask, right? So, what is the situation? How many errors you are getting? What is the progress? Or maybe why I'm getting this issue. So please check this issue. I'm getting this kind of errors when I'm working with an application, right? So it's never never cut the points into like a service desk, technical support, hardware support, networking support, application support. Lot of supporting is there. Okay. So again, so small point again, guys. There is mainly 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 points will be there. I don't count any numbers. Important is why customer is getting impatient. I given one small scenario. Lot of scenarios are there. For example, internet is not working. Improper internet connectivity. Morning it is working, afternoon not working, night it is working, again morning not working. So it is keep changes. It's the internet is not working properly. You'll get an angry. Internet is not working from last 4 hours. So what you will do? You'll complain to the customer care, and there is no response. No problem. So they said tomorrow is a Saturday. We'll meet you on a Monday. So Monday we'll send a guy and we'll solve it. That is a improper way. Or maybe there is a half an hour waiting to get a connected with the customer care guy. So a lot of options are there, waiting. Finally you are connected, but no solution. You know, I faced with one of the bank that is called a Axis Bank. Okay, I face a lot issue like one credit card. They're supposed to send to my address instead of sending my address. They send to my old office address. We don't, I don't, I am not there, so otherwise I will go and pick up. Okay, so that is a different thing. Okay, even I change address, I'm not saying so that's not solution. Again, I have to go to the finally I made a call, 2 3 calls, and finally I went to the bank, and they're also not done. So I got a lot of frustration. Okay, frustration, impatience, angry. Okay, so first of all, understand. So what is the solution for that one? So customer become impatient, angry, and all. First of all, listen to the customer. Understand? Customer become impatient. Customer become angry. Customer become frustrated. Why customer will get frustrated and impatient or angry? They're not getting service. They're not getting response, proper response, or they're not getting a 100% solution. They're not getting a solution for their problem. Their problem is not solved. In that cases, they are getting. So we should not argue with them. We have to understand what is the situation. We have to understand the situation. Let customer speak. Let customer speak. Try to understand the situation. Try to understand the issue. Check the history of the complaints. How many complaints he made it previously? Is the first complaint, or maybe already he given a previous complaint? Why it is not follow up? Why it is not follow up? What's the status is showing? What is the status? The last complaint status it is showing. Okay. How frequently we are resolving his issues? Like he made a call earlier, so that problem is resolved in a half an hour, 1 hour. But today, this time only is getting a big ball. Earlier it is they solve easily. Or every time we are doing like that. That's always a big question why. Then you have to put that information and escalate into the higher authorities. This customer is completely ignored. We are ignoring this customer to provide a service and improper service. Is the customer is raising it. You know, guys, some people will think, generally we are thinking customer is not getting a proper service. It's okay, is call and he will scold you. You know, there is a thing called a customer consumer form. Okay, customer consumer form is there. So there is a consumer form. If you put in a consumer form, what will happen? So this he has a documental proof that is you are not giving proper service to him. Then what he will do it, he'll put in a customer thing. Then your company has to pay a lot, and you are the one person is also involving in it. Okay. Okay. So understand the customer point of view. Think about like what is the customer situation. Listen to the customer completely. Ask a proper questions. Ask a proper question to the customer. So when it is like exactly the situation and some verifications, and if possible send a candidate, send a person immediately to resolve the problem. And what suggestions, give certain suggestions that what if he changes to this one, the solution, the problem won't come again. Okay, even that is also not okay sometimes. Okay, so customer satisfaction is more important thing. So how to satisfy the customer by providing the service what you are agreed to provide, not whatever the service it is. You know, some people take a wrong idea of providing service or satisfying the customer means whatever he asks, give it. Okay, it's not that one. It is not that one. It is all about it is what are the service you are agreed to provide, give the service to the customer. So that comes under SLA, service level agreement. What are the customer you want to provide? What are the service you want to, you are giving to, you are agreed to give, you should give it to the customer. Okay. So in this one, most of the repeated questions also save this angry customer, difficult customer kind of stuff. Okay. So this is small point, and also try to find answers for it. I'm not telling that this is the point. Okay, I'm telling so how to handle the customer. Only one or two point I told. Okay. So understand the situation, talk to the person, get proper information, and check the history of the previous history of with the customer, previous history with the customers. Okay. What is the situation, current situation to handle? Okay. Why still is getting a problem? Why is still getting the problem? When you are going to fix this problem? And what is the exact solution? So what is the exact the authoritative letter or authoritative thing he will get it? For example, in a Pune office, there is a metro railway is there, metro train is there, no? Because of that metro train, the internet wires are got disturbed. We didn't get internet for more than 15-20 days like that. We didn't get any internet. Then the bill date came and the guy asked for a pay the bill. They cut our connection and they asking for a bill. And our sir said, so more than 20 days, almost like a 1 month, we are not getting any internet. So why should we pay you? You are not giving the service. We are not providing the service. And what? And why should we pay you? The guy said, if you are not using the service, that is not up to you. But the point is not. If I'm not using the service, still I have to pay the bill. If I'm not getting the service, I no need to pay the bill, right? So that's the situation. The person is handling the call is escalate the call to the business people. The business manager said, sir, they collect the information, gather the information continuously. 15 days of internet is we are not getting, so that's office is not getting. So he given a extra 15 days. So sir, we will get an extra 15 days of internet. After 15 days, you have to pay the bill. So that is business. SLM and BLM, service level management, is all about how to give the service to the customer. Business level management is about if service level management is failed to provide a service or there is an issue with the customers, the business level management will handle the customers. Okay, by giving some offers, by situations, by continuing the services, by counsel them to get a better services or changing the services. Okay, this is the first part. What is the second part is how to talk to the customer or guide them. For example, I said how to check the IP address. You want to ask your customer is not belongs to IT. You want to tell them, tell me your IP address, how to check the IP address, how to guide them. It's difficult, right? If a person is using a laptop, is connected with the power, but uh, he is not getting an IP, or maybe he is not getting internet. You want to check how it is look like. So difficult, right? He's not an IT guy. It can be a client or it can be an internal organization. So a lot of organizations internally, non-IT people are there. You want to tell them non-IT person how to check the IP address. He's not trying to check the IP address, how to check the system configuration, right? So you have to understand his level of understanding. So based on that, you have to guide them. You have to guide them. You cannot say directly, you can go to run type ncpa.cpl or cmd. So give a more easy solution for them. If you ask like a Windows button, then they may not know where the Windows button is there. So you have to tell them start menu, or maybe there is a Cortana, or maybe there is a this search bar is there. So there you have to guide them. There is a search. So then we type CMD. One day, not only non-IT people, one of my student is from IT place only, but um, has to support a type admin at the rate 123. Password is for a server admin at the rate 123. He type admin admin done. Then remaining is not working at the rate 123 or 1234 not working. what happened? It is on her keyboard. It's a laptop only, but the keyboard is normal keyboard plus numlock. Like a we have a desktop keyboard type is a big one. So numlock number a number keyboards is also given separately. So she didn't on the numlock. There is a numlock is she if you click she press that button numlock, then she can type numbers. She don't know. So what happened? She called me seriously. She called me like, "This is sir, what happened? This is not working. That is not working." So I get a small doubt. Then I said on your keyboard, on top of your QWERTY, there is a 1 2 3 4. Use that 1 2 3 4 like that. So then she type it, and it is working. Okay, and it is working. Point is, people know, and simultaneously they don't know everything. They don't check it. Okay, maybe you guys don't understand what I have told. Also, maybe some may understand, some may not get it. Okay, so customers can be in a different ways: technical background, non-technical background. Even though technical background, so they don't understand what is your approach. So how you approach them, so how to handle them, how to understand the current situation of the customer. That is, you have to creatively answer it, and also try to find in a Google or anything, and try to build your own way of answer. Your own way of answer, not like you read an answer and tell that answer. Don't say like that. Okay. So this is a main part of this question, guys. This is just I added extra. Like not only these things, guys, what is a cloud, what is a different type of clouds, these kind of questions also there. Okay, so this is a three-way split. First of all, go through how you start. I don't mind how you split, otherwise you guys will split questions within your group, and start finding answers, create an answers, or answering yourself, and practice. That makes more easy to tell any answer at a time of interview. If someone is unable to join, I didn't see in this one. Okay. Okay, guys, how many are there? Now it is only 5. Why 6 members are there earlier? It's okay. Yeah. It's now it is